Okay, so kind of an update on my clock project here. Probably about 3 months ago, it was, working. I had moved it to my office at work, and, well, it kind of went up in smoke. It turned out that the power supply in it had died, and this wasn't the first time. It was actually the second time that the same thing has happened. So I clearly knew that the particular things I had chosen, my regulators, were not up to snuff. I believe these are it, 5-volt regulators, just pretty standard. I believe it was up to, I don't know, 500 milliamps, maybe half an amp or to an amp. I'm not 100% sure. But clearly my display here consumed more than that. And, I was going to maybe, go with something a little better than these, something a little bit, higher amperage, and then I thought, what, maybe there's something out there like a switching power regulator that fits in the same footprint. I found this. It's actually made by Texas Instruments. It's a switching, integrated regulator. And you can see by the 5V, it does 5 volts. This one, at least. They sell other models that do other ones, but it fits in the standard, 3-pin regulator footprint. So actually, it was really easy to just substitute it. And I actually just got this back up and running. And well, I was kind of happy to see that my battery backup on the real-time clock worked the way it was designed, because it's still got the correct time, and it's just ticking along like nothing happened at all. You can kind of see the regulator in there. The only requirement to this particular regulator is a electrolytic capacitor at the output, which ironically I had already put a spot on the board for that exact purpose for the last regulator, but I hadn't used it. But as you can see, there's the standard application. I actually have a little higher ceramic capacitor there. I think mine's probably a 10 UF instead of a 1. I don't think it's going to be that big a deal, really. It's just there in case the anything fails, so it just burns itself out. But as you can see, it's a Texas Instruments PT7 8ST100 series, and it's a 1.5 amps, and it's apparently 85% efficient or better. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different voltages it does. It does everything you can think of, and they have a horizontal. I just happened to get these for maybe, I think I paid $4 a piece off eBay, and I bought like 5 of them, just because they were so small and convenient. And anyway, it appears to be working beautifully. I'll definitely post a message up, something up on my, video page on YouTube if it doesn't. But as you can see, it's working great. So we'll see how it goes. Later.